Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys want to see how I got my janky looking lemonade braids, this cute halo, please stay tuned. Now this style is quite simple, so I hope you guys enjoy. Talk to you in a bit. Bye. So all I did right here was tie the braids. You could definitely use the hairpin if you want to, but my braids was long enough and I wanted to keep this style as simple as possible, so I tied it. So this Eco Styler gel, guys, is a no for me. I hate it so much, but your girl spent her own coins and bought it, so you best believe I'm gonna finish this tub, but I definitely won't be repurchasing. It's definitely a no. So guys, as you can see, this style was super simple, yet you got a really chic, really stylish hairstyle, and all you literally need is just the braids that was already on your head. I think this is a great style to transform your old braids and also get, you know, a little bit more bang for your buck. So guys, I hope you subscribe, like this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.